Ready to take your construction projects to the next level? Discover Consac's precision engineering solutions today. At Consac, we specialize in delivering significant cost savings and operational efficiencies through our tailored engineering and detailing services. Based in Thornton, Colorado, our expertise spans across North America and beyond. Our team of skilled engineers brings extensive knowledge and precision to every project. Whether you need detailed designs for various joist types, including K, LH, DLH series and special joists like single-pitched, double-pitched, scissor joist, bowstring joist and girders, we've got you covered. But that's not all. We also excel in comprehensive deck detailing for composite decks, form decks and roof decks. Plus, our specialized expertise in wood nailer project detailing ensures every aspect of your construction is meticulously planned and executed. With strategic offices in the USA, Norway, and India, Consac is uniquely positioned to support your projects with precision and efficiency, no matter where you are. Our global reach means we understand diverse project requirements and can deliver cost-effective solutions tailored to your needs. Ready to experience the Consac difference? Visit www.consac.com to explore more about our services and see how we can help unlock cost savings and operational efficiencies for your construction projects. Consac Global Expertise, specialized solutions. Your project, our priority.